Welcome back to SwissWatchExpo. Jason here. Today we're going to be going over probably one of our most highly sought after Rolex Daytona models today. And so what makes these really special is these are the Platinum Edition. This is for the 50th anniversary for the Rolex Daytona that was released back in 1963. Very interesting enough, when the Daytona first came out, it was actually called the Rolex Chronograph. And then a few years after that, Rolex decided that they'll change the name over to the Rolex Daytona, which we know and love even till today, and probably one of their most highly sought after models in the market right now. So this model was introduced in 2013. So again, this is the 50th year anniversary for the Daytona models. And what makes the Platinum model so special is that it features the ice blue dials. And these are only available for the Platinum models on a Daytona. So if you ever see someone rocking a Daytona and you see that ice blue dial, or even a President model with an ice blue dial, you know that that is most likely a Platinum model, which is kind of cool that Rolex does that exclusively for that model itself. One thing I love about Platinum is it's got a really nice weight to it. So even though it has a 40mm case size that Rolex's Daytonas are known for, it has a really nice premium feel to it versus like a stainless steel model that might feel a little bit lighter. So the Platinum's going to give you that really nice premium weight to it. So I have these two right here that were both released around 2013 in Baselworld. So you have this model here that has the brown subdials and no diamonds on the hour markers. You just have your looms right there. And then on the other model here, you do have the beautiful Baguette Diamond hour markers, which is just really stunning, especially next to the ice blue dial. And I love the fact that they didn't do the brown subdials like they did on the other one. They kept it with the ice blue, so it makes it a little bit more consistent, makes the diamonds, I feel like, pop a little bit more on this dial. Again, these are the Platinum case and also the bracelet. It does feature the oyster bracelet with the brush finish links and then the high polish center links, which gives it really a nice kind of dressy look, but also giving that overall sports appearance. And then of course it does feature the flip block clasp that Rolex Daytonas are known for. And then on the bezel itself, it does feature this really nice kind of like chocolate brown. They call it a chestnut brown ceramic bezel. And I think it really makes the tachometer kind of pop a little bit more versus like a black or even just like a stainless steel bezel that they normally put them on. So I feel like it's a really nice addition, makes it a little bit different to add to your collection because you don't see a lot of watches that feature a brown bezel with an ice blue dial. So I think it's a really nice, interesting look. And I love the fact that these are both really highly sought after, and I love how interesting they are. And Rolex kind of did something a little bit different with these models to celebrate that 50th anniversary. And of course, they kind of updated that model a few years ago as well. But these are going to have the 4130 caliber, so it's going to have a really good power reserve of about 72 hours and 100 meters of water resistance, 330 feet. And that does feature the sapphire crystal on both of the models here with the chronograph function, which is really nice and something that Daytonas have been known for a very long time. So we are very lucky enough to have both of these models in stock right now at our website. Check out our website, SwissWatchExpo.com, and we have a ton of these Rolex Daytona models for you to check out.